Hi, I'm Jochem, engineer at Tameson, and today we're going to talk about the STIA, a normally closed solenoid valve from JP Fluid Control. Due to the indirect operated design, the STIA works from a half bar pressure difference, so make sure you have enough upstream pressure, otherwise this valve will not work. The valve has a relatively large orifice, which makes it perfect for applications within systems with a large flow. The valve is supplied in different voltages from 12 volts to 380 volts and can have connections from 3/8 to 2 inches. The STIA is supplied with an EPDM or FKM seal. EPDM is often used for water, steam, alcohols or brake fluid. FKM, also called Viton, is very suitable for oil or compressed air, for example, but cannot withstand boiling water. Like most solenoid valves, the STIA is not suitable for contaminated media. In addition to a brass version, there is also a stainless steel version available, which makes the valve suitable to withstand medias like salt water, distilled water or acids. 3 reasons why the STIA is the perfect product for you. 1. It has a large orifice. 2. It uses relatively little power. And 3. It is available with large port connections. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions about the STIA or any other product, please contact me or someone else from Tameson.